Alright, today I'm going to talk about how to clean up your disk. So the first thing you do is to look for this particular icon. I'm going to start closing it. If you don't have it, you just right click and click on Files of Explorer, and also you scroll down and then you click on the My PC icon. Or the second way to go about it is to type My PC and then click on this icon. And then from here you go right click on the drive and see local disk, and then you click on property, and then from here we go just click this cleanup from the general tab. And then once you get to the general tab, when you go to the after cleaning on the disk cleanup, you can click on the cleanup system file. You either select between different file you want to delete, and then in my case I just want to delete the temporary file, and I think, and also for thumbnails too. Okay, nothing right here, so you clean up and then you should see the disk cleanup window. So I think, yeah, that's about it. And yeah, you should see nothing here. Delete the file, you start cleaning up again. Okay, that's about it. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Thank you very much. Bye.